she's so fine. Hell of a ride, blows my mind. Hell of a ride, lights my day.
What's good, guys? Today is Friday, December the 17th, 2021. I wanted to do a real quick update on this story, which is regarding Judge Michelle Odinet. That was the judge out of Louisiana that had the burglary at her home and claimed that she was under a sedative and repeatedly used the N-word in a video taken inside of her home where they watched the surveillance of said burglary, and they kikied and cacaed the whole time the video was on. So there was a change.org petition that was going around for people to sign to have her removed from the bench. And this story came out 1 minute ago. Judge Michelle Odinet suspended by LA Supreme Court after N-word vid backlash. Louisiana Judge Michelle Odinet has been suspended by the state Supreme Court after a sickening video of her using the N-word went viral earlier this week. Documents filed today read, quote, "Hereby is disqualified from exercising judicial functions without salary during the pendency of further proceedings in these matters," end quote. This means the Louisiana Supreme Court has officially opened an investigation against the disgraced judge with the possibility of more action to be taken in the future. I will link my video in the description box so that you can watch it in case you haven't seen it. People across the country have called for Odinet's resignation after a video being played on a home TV screen shows surveillance footage of a fleeing suspect apprehended by a homeowner after allegedly breaking into a car on the property. While you can't see any faces, a male voice can be heard saying, quote, "and mom's yelling N-word, N-word," end quote, followed by a female voice, alleged to be the judge, Odinet, laughing and saying, quote, "we have an N. It's an N, like a roach," end quote. A lawyer for Judge Odinet spoke to the Acadia Advocate about the incident earlier this week, saying she felt, quote, "humiliated, embarrassed, and sorry for what she has done and the harm she has caused to the community," end quote. Yeah. She didn't seem very sorry in the video as she laughed while she said it. And also they keep saying there was no physical of anybody in the video, but her hand is shown, and I showed that in my video. It is a female hand very clearly. It's her, and she's admitted it. It's her. So I'm going to be interested to see what the Louisiana Supreme Court does to her, but she should never sit a bench again. She is clearly biased. If she's using that language in her home, that tells you the conduct of her character, and she can't take that and cut it off and sit on the bench and be unbiased. It just doesn't happen like that. So her true colors have been exposed. Fortunately, she was only on the bench for a little over a year, but I do still say that a committee, not one of her judge friends, but an actual committee, needs to lay eyes on all of the cases that she presided over. So I'm going to end the video on that note, but I definitely wanted to bring this update. Thanks for watching, guys.